Let's talk about the credit card now. Everybody is hiding their credit card because they think that using their debit card will help them. Using your credit card right now is the moment whereby you can save your saving instead of using your debit card. Trash that debit card and start using your credit card because you will invest the saving you have. Everybody is in fear of not having the saving or having a debt. This is the time to create a huge debt and then invest the money. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel because I will educate you the hidden gem of using your credit card. This time is time to go and get several type of credit card. Invest, use them, take the advantage. And if you do that, you will not ever forget about this channel. Let me tell you something. Everybody is worried. Everybody is hiding. Everybody is using their way to save money. This is not the time to save money. This is the time. This is the best time to invest your money. God give you the wisdom to use it. If you are not using your wisdom, this is the time you're gonna learn how to use your wisdom. Not the wisdom which is like doing nasty things. Is the wisdom of doing right thing. It's time to think right. It's time to put your money together. This is the time you need to go and ask for a loan. This is the best time to go and build your mansionette. This is the time you go and pray. This is the time you go and give. This is the time to give away. It's the time for the restoration. Minimum for your credit card. That makes sense a lot, rather than assuming that I will not pay. Because once your credit card bureau sent your information to the people who look at the credit score, you will not be able to borrow because it shows that you don't pay the debt which you have accumulated. You have to pay all the debts which you have accumulated. And in order for you to continue to the growth of your life or your money or your whatever you want to do, you have to pay back the debts. And how do you pay the debts? Is to have a higher debts, because when you have a lot of debts, then you have money which is circulating. Let's say, for example, if you don't have a debt or you don't have anything which brings money, it doesn't matter if you go to work or you have investments or you have a stock or whatever you do, you bring money on the table. That money is circulating because every month or every 2 weeks or 1 week or every day there is money coming in, and that shows that you are able to pay back. Don't forget to hit the like button so I will educate you more about the credit card. A credit card has a billing cycle. A cycle is when the cut off when you have to pay your credit card. A credit card has a amount of money. When you spend more, it's go above the amount which you're supposed to use. Let's say, for example, if you have a credit card with 3,000 and you use 1,500, then you have gone to the minimum. But when you use less, like 10% of 3,000, which is like 1,000, that keeps your credit score and your credit card utilization good. Don't forget to hit the like button because I will educate you more about the credit card. And also, when you pay your credit card, don't forget that you can pay only the minimum, but remember there will be an interest added to you because you did not pay the full amount of the credit card. But the credit card will help you to save the money which you can use for emergency, or you can save the money which is in your credit card to use for emergency. But for that case, because we can withdraw the money we have also in the credit card, if we have requested that we want to withdraw, then we have to pay back the full amount. Don't forget to hit the like button because learning about how to use the credit card, it's very vital. Also, if you have several type of credit card, you pay the utility bill, you pay your HOA, you pay your phone bill, you pay your gas. Then at the end of the month, you use your debit card, the money you have saved, to pay that bill for your credit card. That will help you to maintain your credit score or to have a higher credit score, and your lender will increase your credit card. Because when you have more money on your credit card, the more you can use more credits rather than to have only 10%, which is a very very little money to use. Don't forget to hit the like button, also to subscribe to my channel to educate you more about only the minimum payment for your credit card. It's better than missing the whole amount. When you pay only the minimum, the lender can see that you can manage to use the credit card because you have paid the minimum balance. And paying the minimum balance, you can continue using the credit card. Let me repeat again. When you pay the minimum payment to your credit card, you are able to continue using the credit card. And don't forget that you have to pay the whole amount plus including the balance you didn't pay last previous balance. Remember, there is a cycle. Every cycle you have to pay the minimum payment to your credit card. Don't forget to hit the like button, also to subscribe to my channel to educate you more about the credit card. The minimum is the least money you can pay to the credit card so you can maintain the credit card, and you will not be reported to the credit bureau. You lose your credit score. A credit score is different with the credit card. A credit card is where you get from a lender and it has money. Credit score you build when you use the credit card. The more debt you have, the more you build your credit card. Credit card build like only maybe 30 to 35% to your credit score. Credit card to purchase a ticket. Use your credit card to buy everything you need, and use your debit card to pay back. Because if you use your debit card and you finish all your saving, you might end up not having an emergency fund. So you use your credit card and you pay the minimum, yet you can pay the whole amount, or you can just pay the minimum. Don't forget to hit the like button because I will educate you more about the credit card. A credit card with the cashback can help you to pay back the debt you have accumulated, or you can just pay the minimum and you continue to use a credit card. But when you finish your saving, you cannot continue to swipe the debit card. There is a huge difference between a debit and a credit card. A credit card has money which you have to pay back due to a certain moment, due at period of time. It can be 10, 20, whatever the lender gonna issue you. If you have a credit card with a cashback and you have two, those two credit cards are enough. You can divide. When you have this type of bill, you're gonna pay with this credit card. When you have the next bill, you're gonna use the other credit card, because that's the way you can manage. You, instead of using your cash or your savings, you use your credit card and you pay the debt which you have created. Credit card numbers. A credit card has numbers behind and in front. Where do you find your credit card expiring and issue date? That will be at front of your credit card. And you have toll-free number which is behind your credit card. If you lost your credit card, you need to call the toll-free number which starts with 1-800 and so forth. A credit card has a digit which means a CVV. That 3 digits you need to put it when you purchase things online. Also, when you give someone a credit card, they will ask you when is your expiring date, month, and also the year, which you're gonna find it in front of your credit card. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel to educate you more about the credit card numbers. A credit card has numbers behind and in front. Where do you find your credit card expiring and issue date? That will be at front of your credit card. And you have toll-free number which is behind your credit card. If you lost your credit card, you need to call the toll-free number which starts with 1-800 and so forth. A credit card has a digit which means a CVV. That 3 digits you need to put it when you purchase things online. Also, when you give someone a credit card, they will ask you when is your expiring date, month, and also the year, which you're gonna find it in front of your credit card. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel to educate you more about the credit card.